All right, we are back for the next part here. Questions number 10 through the end. Sorry about the coloring. We'll try to get that taken care of. She's not wanting to cooperate today. So, here we go. For number 10, a recipe uses 8 cups of water, and for every 3 cups of sugar, I would suggest you make a T-chart, or you could draw yourself a double number line if you'd like, because I know some of you like to do the double number lines. And so if I did a double number line, I would have water on one, sugar on the other, and, oops, there's the bell. Here we go. All right, so we have 8 cups of water for every 3 cups of sugar. So I have it set up as my double number line as well as my T-chart over here. This helps me to see that I have to get sugar down here to 1. Well, in order to do that, I'm just going to leave it yellow so we don't have to worry. All right, in order to do that, I have to know that I have to divide this by 3. So that helps me to see that I have to do 8 divided by 3. So 8 divided by 3 would be my equation in order to get my answer. So here, if I have 8 divided by 3, again, on my T-chart, I need to go back this way. That's going to be divided by 3. Right here, it's going to help me to see I need to divide by 3. Well, if I write this as 8 divided by 3 as a fraction, I can immediately see that's an improper fraction, and I can divide 8 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, we get 2. And that would leave 2 2/3. So my answer, I would need 2 2/3 cups of water to go with 1 cup of sugar. 2 2/3 cups of water to go with 1 cup of sugar. So my answer here, 2 2/3 cups of water equals 1 cup of sugar. Number 11, a recipe uses 8 cups of water again for every 3 cups of sugar again. So again, I could set up my T-chart and do water and sugar. I can set up my double number line, and I can go water with sugar. And you can choose which way you would see it best. It's up to you. But I know that I have 8 cups of water with 3 cups of sugar. 8 cups of water with 3 cups of sugar. Again, you solve it the way that you feel is best for you. Okay? So, how much sugar is used for 1 cup of water? Well, now I've got to get over here to 1 cup, and I've got to get 1 cup right here. So right here, that would mean I have to do 8 divided by 8 to get 1. Same thing on my double number line, I'm dividing by 8. So now I have to do 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8. So when I write it as an equation, it's going to look like this. 3 divided by 8. Well, when I write it this way, it's the same thing as saying this is a fraction, 3/8. So my answer is going to be, I need 3/8 cups of sugar for 1 cup of water. So I need 3/8 cups of sugar for 1 cup of water. All right, number 12. A garden hose emits, that means it lets out, 12 gallons of water in 8 seconds. This is unit rate. This is going back before the winter break. So if I do unit rate, I'm going to come here and I could do gallons and seconds. Again, I could do a double number line, and I could do gallons and seconds. And I would have on my double number line, 12 gallons goes with 8 seconds. 12 gallons goes with 8 seconds. Oops, sorry guys, let me push that up for you. There you go. Sorry about that. So at this rate, we're finding unit rate. How long will it take the hose to emit 18 gallons of water? So we need to get this further over here for 18 gallons of water. And on my T-chart, we're going down, 18 gallons. Well, if I wanted to find my unit rate, if I look at both of these numbers and I know unit rate's dividing by 12 to get 1, I could go that route. But I also know that 4 can go into both of these numbers right here. So I'm going to start with that. And I'm going to go 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 8 divided by 4 is going to give me 2. So right here I would have 3 gallons for every 2 seconds. Okay, 3 gallons for every 2 seconds. Well, I know from here, I can go straight from 3 all the way to 18, and that would be timesing by 6. 2 times 6 would be 12. So for 18 gallons of water, I would need 12 seconds. So right here, this would be times 6 to give me 12 seconds. Now, if I divided 12 by 2, and I went right here and divided by 2, that's going to give me 6. And 8 divided by 2 would give me 4. So I can see my pattern is there. 3, 6, and that's doubling. That's doubled. And then 6 and 12 make 18. 4 and 8 make 12. Another way I could look at this would be right here for our unit rate. It is dividing. So my answer right here would be 12 seconds for 18 gallons. All right. And that ends our review for this time. So I'm going to give you a code word. All right, here's our code word for today. Our code word is dividing fractions. So I want to see the code word dividing fractions on my paper. Dividing fractions on my paper. That's your code word. So make sure we have our code word. And I wish you guys the best of luck. And you guys are going to do great on Friday. See you later. Bye.